It's time for cooking with Knuckles.
Today's dish is Knuckles soup surprise.
Yeah, soup. First, we need a stinking ugly bowl and a plate. Then you put this ranch thing, but you have to cut it on the plate. Yeah. Yum yum.
And how do we cut it?
Just put your stinking fingers on the knife and cut yourself.
That doesn't look like your fingers.
At the very end.
Why would we shoot somebody else's fingers?
Well, first, yum yum. Okay, then you cut your finger. Wait, I forgot something. This leaf.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, then you pour it in the bowl.
Purple, don't eat it.
Get away! Don't do it. Okay, then you get tomatoes. That's been rotting for days. No tomatoes. I know you love tomatoes, but it makes you gassy in front of the camera. No!
Let's look at Yum Yum over there.
Here's this mold that I took off. It was playing the lady in the pie. I told you to make it gassy. You're gonna get more gassy, and you're gonna be no one's friend.
Knuckles, did this shoot onto the wall? I'm pretty sure this shot onto the wall. Look, people, Knuckles is unsanitary. It looks like
then you pour it.
Booger. Just wipe it there.
Okay, since you poured, it went under. Oh, stop speaking Japanese. Then you get a cheese. Not cheese, the chaotic thing. Okay, you unwrap the stick ugly cheese. No, you're eating the wrapper. Stop!
The cheese.
Then you put it on the stinking plate. Be quiet. Then you cut it. No cheese, it makes you poop.
Now you're gonna poop. Go to the bathroom.
Don't poop on the
Oh, gross. Yum Yum has snot. Oh gosh, that was Yum Yum's booger. Somebody get that kid a tissue.
Okay. It looks good, you know. But then, the worst part of all. You see that? Then
La 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 la, sing a happy song.
then you get a spoon to mix this. No crackers, not your time. Yeah. You see that? Yum yum. Then you smush this cracker, well, half-eaten cracker, and I think you know.
Yum Yum made it. I saw him.
Then you just smash it and pour it.
More like cut smash.
Oh yeah, true.
I'll get a napkin.
Then you put this vanilla wafers, and you just put them in half. Then the last ingredient, more water. Shut up! Scuba! Come and taste it!
I'm the cannibal turtle now. People, I like turtles. Ooh, this looks like turtley. Can I hold it?
No, it's not turtley!
Oh, it's supposed to taste disgusting and then time to eat up. The house exploded.
Okay, here's more.
He's dead. Yum Yum's doing that.
I can't believe he didn't like my surprise. Let me taste it. Hey, it's an
Yum Yum's This is Yum Yum's dish. Yum Yum, stop eating it.
It makes you poop.
Yeah.
Please comment and everything or all that junk. Okay, bye.